resiliency, just like with so many other areas of the states and certainly within the state of Florida, is a big deal, and we are an island out here. So we have been looking at and really trying to make strategic plans for the future as to how we can and will be serving the citizens of not just Neptune Beach, but all 3 beaches.
As any coastal community in Florida knows, with sea level rise and with changes in our weather patterns, we see significant issues with stormwater, especially closer to the coast. We start to see as normal rain events happen that we see some localized flooding. And when I say localized flooding, I mean streets are filled with water. It does get away, but it gets away slowly. So we are seeing an increase in these weather events that cause localized flooding, and we're also seeing significant issues due to sea level rise.
As most people know, usually your car can float in like an inch of water. And sometimes, if a big hurricane or a big storm comes through, we did get that kind of flooding here. So it's definitely a large impact for our residents.
We are piloting with Smart North Florida some new sensor technology, StormSensor, where we are measuring the data for the levels of the creek right here based on some current and future improvements that we're doing upstream. So the whole scope of the project is going to be 20 sensors upstream from this. We have 12 in manholes and then an additional 8 above ground. Collecting this data will help us prioritize where to spend our capital dollars.
Over the past 50 or so years, the city has just kind of built out its capacity in order and unable to sustain the stormwater we're getting. So now with our code update, we're actually putting those new mitigation strategies forward to say, hey, this is a problem and this is how we can address it through redevelopment.
Stormwater drainage and stormwater sensors are but one of many features and innovative solutions that we're applying to the Resiliency Lab. We're really excited to take a look at surface water discharge, sanitary sewer overflow, all these other features that can be applied to a Resiliency Lab to better collect data and drive solutions to the problems that are affecting the day-to-day lives of everybody that lives in the city of Neptune Beach, and can be a model to take from community to community like Neptune Beach around the state of Florida and frankly around the coastal communities of the country. Something like this doesn't get done without city leadership, and it starts from the top with Mayor Elaine Brown here in the city of Neptune Beach, City Manager Stephen Wynn, and Grants and Resiliency Coordinator Colin Moore, all of them working together as a team and collaboratively to get things done for the people of Neptune Beach. That's how innovation happens.